Inside this package is the future of fire safety. This amazing device, coupled with our service, will detect any electrical malfunctions in the home. So if there are loose connections anywhere in the home, maybe in the wiring, inside the walls, inside fixtures, this will detect it and give you an alert long before it's an electrical fire. This little device is called Ting, and there are a couple of reasons that we have one here at home. Reason number one is right here. Reason number two is strolling around the house here somewhere. These devices are awesome. We'll show you. We plug it into an outlet and we get a report on how your electrical connections are doing in your home. And if there's any abnormalities that would cause an electrical fire, you're alerted by Ting 24-hour monitoring service. We'll dispatch an electrician to your home and cover up to $1,000 worth of electrical repairs. Ting is amazing. Let me show you where our Ting is located. Meet reason number two. This is Willie. Let me show you where we keep our Ting. Excuse me, Willie. It doesn't have to be out in the open, but you'll notice the green light. That's the function light that means it's working and protecting our home. So while we're away, we could get an alert on our phone that says, you have an electrical connection that is malfunctioning. Maybe it's your air conditioning system. Maybe it's just a loose wire in a wall. Maybe it's a light fixture. But you get an alert, we dispatch an electrician and cover up to $1,000 worth of electrical repairs. Ting, you need this.